Hi, if you're a teacher, you've been told that we need to teach kids how to be independent learners to prepare them for their future. Or you've been told we have to meet all students' needs. And my favorite is we need to use data and technology to differentiate instruction probably so many times that your brain's going to fall out. The truth is most people don't have a strategy behind what they're doing with instruction. Let me explain. They're following the pacing guide, they're using district curriculum, and they're teaching how they've been taught, and they're hoping that they'll have student achievement, success, and for their evaluation at the end of the year. Newsflash. We know what we should be doing, yet most schools are still running their classroom in an assembly line fashion where kids are dependent upon the teachers for the information. The reality is most people will never be able to teach their students to become independent learners. Why? Well, maybe you don't know where to begin, or money. Maybe you don't know how to leverage what you have existing in your classroom, both technology and programs, without spending any money to create this. Maybe you don't know how easy it is to convert your present classroom activities into ones and create an independent learning environment. Maybe you don't know how to monitor it and make sure you're meeting all of the student needs. You might be feeling anxious right now at the thought of just another new fad or another program for education. Maybe you don't have access to a system that can help you with all of this. But that's not the end of the problems. It gets worse today. Here's the real challenges that we're facing is you don't know how other teachers effortlessly transition their kids to learning at home. Parents might want to know what are they supposed to be teaching their kids, and they're not sure how to do it and how to provide all of the support that all of the students need. But worst of all, every day that you're not using a virtual autonomous learning system, the students are losing ground academically. And we all know how difficult it is to get them caught up once they get behind. But I'm going to offer you another solution. It's something that could make your career much easier down the road. Now, it's going to take you a little bit out of your comfort zone. I had a teacher say who I taught this that it was a little crazy in the beginning, and it might feel like that. And it's going to take showing up as a teacher in a brand new way. And it means you're going to have to look at what you do from a different angle. Let's face it, what you presently are doing just isn't working anymore. And I want to introduce to you the Virtual Teaching Roadmap. It's a 3-step system that's going to convert any classroom and activities into a virtual learning environment. And it will help you create independent learners. And it will let you meet the needs of all students. So training in this is going to guide you through the process to create autonomous learning environment, meaning the kids get to pick out what they want to learn when they learn it. It's the best way to meet all the student needs and achieve academic growth. There's tools in learning that are going to help you level the learning if you haven't already done it. The goal is to meet every child where they are, give them what they need when they need it. The method and the tools allow you to personalize learning path for all students throughout the entire year and next year and after that. But it's the ability to spend time with the students who are in need and not slow the whole class down. What I think is fun is you're going to be able to put the magic back into the learning to get kids excited about coming to school and about learning. What did we use? We used quality methods, the latest quality methods, similar to Plan 2 Check Act, which you're all familiar with, to level the learning. We created a classroom using these tools and a culture where kids are all working at their own path and their own pace on different activities, which reduces some kids being insecure about being behind. Everyone's issues are being addressed, and it actually reduces behavior issues. And it's going to give you a method and a tool and allow you to showcase the art and the science of teaching and really let you shine. Who am I? I'm Sally. And you're probably asking, who are we and how can we make these claims? I'm the co-founder of the Center for Quality Management in Education. We're teachers, administrators. We've spent decades in the field of education, working at all levels from primary grades all the way up to postgraduate. We're experts in the field of quality management with the highest level of certifications. We've coached leaders from all over the country to do successfully what we're suggesting in both for-profit and nonprofit organizations. Thousands of people have used these exact same strategies to find success in their organizations for like 20 plus years. But most importantly, I love helping educators use the method and achieve high student achievement and growth in their classroom. So here's exactly what I created to help you out. It's step-by-step instructions to guide you through the 3 phases. There's edible tools and suggestions to help you level the learning to meet each student right where they're at. Fill in the blank goal sheets, weekly student activity check sheets to allow you to personalize the learning path. And they're ones that I have personally used from, they're used kindergarten all the way up. My personal tech stack, which I use for level the learning and creating the autonomous learning environment, which are tools that you probably are already using and have. There's also templates in there you can use to assign weekly tasks for parents, both hard copy and electronic, and tools to help motivate students and their families. Now, I would love for you to take me up on this, but I know this is really going to help you out. Now, I completely stand behind this system, and there's a money-back guarantee. This is the beginning of a relationship to me, and I want you to download this. Hopefully, you'll download it, you'll try it, you'll love it, and you'll see progress with your kids. This system is for you if you want a quick virtual teaching system and you don't want to reinvent the wheel. You don't have money to spend on additional software and you want to use what you already have, and you definitely don't want another program, but you desire to become more effective and efficient with the ones that you already have. And you want students to learn despite being in social isolation. If any of those are you, then this system's for you. If you act now, purchase the virtual teaching roadmap, the online program, you'll get 3 bonuses. The first one is a free Trello board full of suggestions, fun day Friday activities to motivate kids to help finish their weekly work. You'll get my personal multi-targeted reward system that many of us have used in the classroom to motivate students and their families. And then thirdly, our pledge to you as educators: for every $3 you spend, we will donate $1 back to education. If you're interested, click the link, get access today. Thank you very much for all you do. We really appreciate it.